Hello everyone. These are our 400 chicks. You remember when they were small, I posted them here, and now today I am showing you what has happened of them. This is how much they have grown, and yeah, they are 6 weeks old at this time, and as you can see, they are quite happy, and some of them are even scratching so well. You can see. Just wait a minute, we wait for this one to scratch so that you see what I mean. Okay guys, it's taking time, but yeah, it has done that. So this is what has happened today. Today is not a very good day for us. We kinda lost some chicks today because of what I will call negligence, guys. We have lost all these chicks, as you can see. We lost all these 5 of them, and how it happened is you see this trampoline lying down over here. We usually take it up at night. We usually take it up like this to cover this room to prevent the cold from entering the chick's house. So we usually cover like that, like this. I don't know if you're able to see how I am doing it. We cover completely because the place I am in is usually very cold at night, and now it is usually very good for us to put this one to prevent the cold. So guys, as you can see, after we lost these chicks, we came about, this one was not there, this plywood was not there, so we kinda improvised this room so that at night today they don't have to come on the other side. You can see we even put this chicken wire to just prevent them from coming to this side of the room. Why have we done this? It is because these chicks are still small, and we can't let them to occupy all this space, because we are waiting for them to grow a little bit, so that now we open this one, we open here, so that now we let them in this other room. Guys, you can remember very well the first time we were in a small, when they were in a brooder house, they were in a small place, and now as they grew they couldn't fit there, so we had to bring them to this room over here. And even now, I cannot tell you that we have stopped providing it for these chicks. They are not supposed to be provided for with the heat at this age, but because, like I have told you, the place I am in is usually very cold at night, and now there is no other way for us to do this, because now it's also a rainy season, and usually at night it is very cold. So we usually put just these two in this room, these 2 geckos in this room, so that now we can warm the room. And therefore that is why we usually use this trampoline to just prevent the heat from getting out of this room to this other room. So we are usually left with that side. As you can see, that side, that is the only side that we usually leave open, so that the chickens can get good aeration. As you can see, we also have this other side. That other side we usually cover it completely, because, as like I have told you, it is usually very cold and windy at night. All this place, we usually cover this place, all this. So guys, as you can see in this room, what we have the feeders. Right now they are raised up because the chickens are not feeding. The chickens are not feeding at this time. We usually do the feeding twice a day, and now these chicks are done with feeding at this time. We've already served them with the afternoon feeds, and now at this time it is only water that they are taking. As you can see there, there's a drinker there, and there are some chicks over there taking water, guys. So in this room we have these feeders, we have the geckos, and already we have made this laying boxes for our chickens. We are waiting for them to start laying after in like another 4 months there. These are improved kienyeji chickens, and usually this type starts laying in after 6 months. And now I have told you these chickens are 6 weeks old, that is 1.5 months. So we are left with the 3.5 months. We have 3.5 months more to go for them to start laying. The type that I'm having here is the Kenbro type, and I am hoping that by the time they are 5.5 to 6 months, they will have started laying, and therefore we have provided all this for them so that when it is time for laying, we won't have any problem. Guys, you can see all this we have done for these chickens. And even in this other room, we do have more laying boxes. As you can see, here are the laying boxes. Here are the laying boxes that we have for this other room. But this is one room, like I have told you, we only divided it there because of the accident that we got early today. So when they start, by the time they are 6 months, they will have filled all this room. And yeah, this room, I think it's a little bit big, but it is okay. We can have them here. And later on, because we have the upper room, you can see like over here, this is another room. On top of this is another chicken house. So maybe we will see if we will transfer them there. If I will have brought more chicks, that is, if I will have brought more, then we can transfer them upstairs so that we get this room. This room that we have here can fit like 750 chickens. So I'm thinking that 400 for this room is quite big, because you see, even on this other side, you see over here, inside this room is where we had the brooder, and it is part of this house. But I decided that I will keep that one for brooding when we are brooding chicks.